Dive into the phrase, reef dive. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we're going to explore the meaning of reef dive. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in context. Before we get to the full phrase, let's break down the individual words. Reef. A reef is a barrier or ridge made up of rocks, sand, coral, or similar material, lying beneath the surface of the water, especially in the sea. Reefs can be natural, like the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, or man-made. Dive. To dive means to plunge headfirst into water or to go down under the water, typically with the purpose of exploring or searching for something. When you combine the words reef and dive, you get the phrase reef dive. A reef dive refers to the act of diving near or around a reef to explore its beauty, observe marine life, or for recreational purposes. It's a popular activity among divers, especially in tropical locations where reefs are abundant and full of colorful marine life. Now, let's see how you can use reef dive in sentences. 1. For my birthday, I went on a reef dive and saw some amazing corals and fish. 2. The diving school offers a reef dive package for beginners. 3. She's an experienced diver and has done numerous reef dives around the world. So there you have it, the wonderful phrase, reef dive, in all its glory. We hope you found this explanation clear and useful. Remember, language is a vast ocean, and every day is a chance for a new dive. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.